Hello from Penang. This is 5th of February 2025, which marks the 9th day of the Lunar New Year. So, the actual Chinese New Year has already been celebrated on 28th of January, but there is a large Hokkien community here in Penang, so they're celebrating the Jade Emperor's birthday as the Hokkien Chinese New Year. So, we're now gonna go to their festival. There's gonna be a huge festival by the jetty. They are expecting 20,000 people, and they set up some stalls. There will be some dance shows, fire shows, dragon dances, and as always, Penang amazes us. So we're now gonna hit the road. I think it should take around half an hour since we're staying close to Gurney. We're at the apartment at the moment, and we're going out in a minute. And we're heading to the bus station. We use the bus a lot when in Georgetown because it's very convenient. So 101 or 102 usually connects Georgetown with Gurney and then Tanjung Bunga. It's a one straight road. So it's easy to use Grab as well, but it's pretty expensive at the moment because there's a festival. So we're gonna use the bus, which is costing around 150 ringgits. We're staying very close to Gurney Drive, which is 1 kilometer to Gurney Drive, just in front of City Junction Mall and the Island Plaza. We are staying at the Landmark here, and we have a video for that. Go check it out. Out of the bus on Jalan Masjid Kapitan Keling because there is so much traffic going to the jetty. So we're just gonna walk around 500 meters. I think we're a little late, so we're gonna try and catch the show. I'm hoping they're late, but they rarely are late, so the program should be going on as usual. So we are missing the first dances and choir singing, I think, but still there is a lot to go that's going to happen until midnight tonight. Getting ready for the lion dance. There is the festival. We are finally here. So this festival is actually called Pai Ti Kong Festival. I want to talk about it a little bit. So what does Pai Ti Kong mean? Pai Ti Kong literally means praise Thai God. The lions are coming. you about what Pai Ti Kong is. Pai Ti Kong is the Hokkien Chinese New Year because they are a different clan than the Mandarins, and in Penang there's a very big clan of Hokkiens, so they are celebrating the New Year on the 9th day of the Lunar New Year, and this is our third New Year in 2 months in 2025. So this is actually good, very big festival, a lot of stalls. Oh, I see Char Kway Teow, which is one of our favorites when we're in Penang. It's very famous. Maybe we're gonna go take a look. There is a stage set up there, and they are performing some songs, choirs. We just film them for you. There's a lion dance and there are stalls. So I'm gonna explain what Pai Ti Kong is in a more quiet place when we have something to eat. See what we found. They are making traditional Turkish tea coffee. So I'm really surprised. A Chinese person doing traditional Turkish coffee. Let's see. Which is a little bit different than Char Kway Teow. Char Kway Teow is cooked with cube rice, eggs, soybeans, and chicken. Eggs. we are going to the two jetties and to see the temple at the end of this jetty. We are passing by people's actual homes. They're celebrating Chinese New Year. Although it's very crowded, I can say that people are quiet and peaceful. So we're walking like maybe thousands of people to the temple at night, and it doesn't even feel a little bit of unsafe. It's really quiet and peaceful. Okay, finally some quietness. We are at the end of the Chu Jetty and there's a temple here. People are actually bringing their offerings to every temple around Georgetown. So I want to talk about what's Pai Ti Kong. This festival is actually called Pai Ti Kong, which translates to Praise Sky God, because this is the Hokkien New Year, and Hokkiens believe that in the Ming Dynasty time, the Hokkien people in the Fujian area were attacked and they ran off into a sugarcane farm, and for 9 days they hid there, and during these 9 days they prayed to Jade Emperor to save them, and they did. So they celebrate this day of actually being saved because they say that if Jade Emperor didn't protect us, we wouldn't be alive today. So they think that this day marks their salvation. We're gonna be heading home soon because it's too much noise and smoke here, so we're gonna have to find a bus to go back to our condo. But it was a great festival. We really learned a lot about Hokkien culture. We tasted great food and we saw a great show during the festival.